Anchovies. Got the fried anchovies and fries. Saying goodbye to our favorite stop and basically final stop of our honeymoon. Just got back from getting my nails done. Kermit. Okay.
Cheers. Cheers. Welcome home.
Nice, nice.
Happy marriage. Yeah.
You taking a picture of Pogo?
I love this drink. It's so fun to make and it's so delicious. Hunter's just had like 3 of these before she left. I saw that.
I don't know if you can see it, but there's a bird stuck in our fireplace. Try to put some bird seed in there for it to get something to eat. I don't know. All right, get the door. It's all dusty.
Here, let's
I know, I try to give it some bird seed. Nice. I've been in the middle of trying to finally organize our plant room. I should have done a better before photo or video, because as you can tell, I'm really in the thick of it, but you know, it's looking better, organized and watered all the plants on the shelf, her shelves. So it's coming together. Right, Kermit? And I'm watering my plants, and oh my gosh, my first time having this bad boy bloom. So it's an exciting day for me, to say the least.